The popularity of Axie Infinity has skyrocketed in recent seasons. It surpassed 1 million players in September and is now the most popular NFT project by volume. With the recent Axie Infinity update, there are some adjustments for Axie breeders. The breeding fees in Axie Infinity have been adjusted somewhat. This video will explain to you all you need to know about the current breeding costs and why they've been adjusted. Hi guys, welcome to another free wisdom video. In this video, we will talk about the new update for the Axie Infinity. Before diving into the topic, kindly like this video, subscribe to our channel, and enable all notifications so that you don't miss our upcoming amazing videos. New breeding fees for Axie Infinity. The Axie Infinity developers have offered a new upgrade to Axie breeding in an effort to boost the game's economy. Mavis revealed in an official blog post on September 22, 2021, that the SLP and AXS costs of breeding new Axies will be changed. In comparison to the old one, these are the updated breeding costs per Axie breed count. AXS cost per breed has been lowered from 2 AXS to 1 AXS, in addition to the SLP adjustments. These modifications went into effect one day following the announcement, or on September 23, 2021, at midnight UTC. The only flaw in the platform is the Axie economy. When the number of new users drops or stops, it essentially collapses. It resembles a Ponzi scheme in many ways. Newcomers have to purchase Axies using Ethereum, another flaw in the Axie economy, causing the price of Axies to rise. People with Axie and money propagate their Axie by burning some SLP and AXS as Axie prices rise. This is the only factor that causes the price of AXS and SLP to rise. However, by playing the game, gamers generate fresh SLP tokens, lowering SLP prices. AXS token will be used for governance and as a currency in the marketplace, according to Axie Infinity's website. However, no progress has been made thus far. The majority of users never touch AXS tokens, preferring instead to earn and sell SLP tokens. The developers of Axie Infinity stated their motivation for the new update in a blog post. The Axie economy, according to the blog post, needs to be balanced by recognizing everyone's immediate actions while also supporting a long-term community growth plan. In recent weeks, the price of SLP has been steadily declining. As a result, there has been a lot of FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the community that Axie Infinity is a dead game that is no longer profitable. This increase in breeding costs is part of a larger effort to strengthen and balance the game's economy, notably the surplus of circulating SLP supplies. The halving of adventure SLP prizes in August was the most recent attempt to avoid an overabundance of SLP. The more the SLP price dropped, the more pressure was put on the developers to do something about it. More SLP burning technologies were on the way. In fact, developers like Jiho and Psychout had already hinted at this next breeding cost modification. Mavis emphasized to readers at the end of the blog post that, while they are making these modifications manually, the game is still in its early stages, and the long-term objective is to incorporate an autonomous economy manager, either through informed community members or artificial intelligence. They intend to eventually build an auto-balancing system that adjusts the AXS and SLP components of the breeding cost so that they are both steady in dollar or fiat terms and in relation to one another. Is SLP going to the moon? Well, the community appears to have reacted well to the announcement of the breeding cost change. Smooth Love Potion's market price soared from an average of 6 cents to a high of 8.7 cents after the news, representing a 25% increase in just 24 hours, according to CoinGecko. Because breeders now need to burn more SLP in order to breed new Axies, the significant increase in SLP pricing is most likely due to players racing to collect SLP while it's still dirt cheap. Is Axie Infinity on the verge of dying? As you can see, there is a balance in place to keep the price of SLP somewhat consistent, but this balance is not well established, which is why Axie Infinity may be on its way out. Every day, regardless of whether there are newcomers to leverage SLP pricing or not, every player mints at least 75 SLP, 150 SLP previously. However, growth has a limit. Despite the fact that the entire globe is progressively learning to play Axie Infinity, the system appears to be at a standstill. Axie has over 1.5 million daily active users, and it appears that the growth has slowed for the time being. The only option to play Axie Infinity is to download the desktop application or the Android app as an APK file, which is unappealing due to the lack of trust and hence restricts expansion. The price of SLP has dropped to as low as 8 cents, causing many players to abandon the game. Due to a lack of demand, some people sell their Axies for half the price they paid for them. What are your thoughts on the most recent update to Axie Infinity's breeding costs? Will this cause more harm than good? Or do you believe it will help to salvage Smooth Love Potion's ever-dwindling market price, attracting even more players to the game? For our part, we sincerely hope it is the latter. Well guys, that was today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, do like, subscribe, and hit that red notification bell, and please don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section and provide us with your valuable feedback. Plus, if you want to suggest us a topic for the next video, feel free to tell us. See you in the next video, and until then, stay tuned.